Hey guys, welcome to Vadodara Foodbook, episode 13. And yesterday we shot a video. It was quite sunny outside, 2 degrees. Now it's -2 and it's snowing. So if you can just see the snow now. Just started to snow and I thought, okay, I'll make a video out of it. So in this video I'll be talking about scams that students should be aware of while coming here, after coming here, whatever. So if you're coming to UK as a student and there are certain scams that go on over here and you must be aware of it and not fall trap for it. One of the most common scams I find is the assignment helper scam. Not all assignment helpers are scammers, but many of them are. So when you're giving your details to them and you're bargaining for price and everything, just make sure to be very careful and check out if the person is genuine. Because since you are coming here, you will be doing a lot of research and you will be putting your number and email address at places where you should not be putting, like Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Facebook pages, links, YouTube videos. So many places you will be giving out your contact details. So when you're giving out these assignment helper people and the groups based in India, Pakistan, I don't know where, but they take your contact details and then once it is into that, then you will get a call or a message every day. Any time of the day, I think. Because I have been getting so many messages, I thought, okay, I'll make a video out of it now. So what happens is basically they will ask you if you need any assignment help, and then yes, you say, okay, I'll need assignment help because assessment is basically assignments now. So once you say them yes, you give out your name, your university name, your course, your intake, your location, your contact details and everything. So once they have all their details, what they do is, okay, they charge £2, in India they charge 2 rupees per word, so 3000 words assignment is basically £60. You try to bargain them down to say 50-40 pounds, but that's okay, they will say yes. And then once that is done, what they will do is, since they have all the details, they will say, okay, I will complain to your university, so give me more money, otherwise I will complain. Or till the end date, on the submission date or the deadline, they will not give you the assignments for you to submit. They will demand more money. So just beware of such scams, and as far as possible, make sure to do assignments on your own. Don't give out to assignment helpers. And if you're giving out to assignment helpers, make sure they are legitimate people. They are a good team. They have some good reputation or from a reference that you are doing. So that is one scam. Another scam I came across is I'm getting calls from Manchester phone number last few weeks now. I've got at least 10 to 15 calls. And what the caller says is, hello sir, I am this from claims department London, and you have a claim pending of £2,000, which you had, you met an accident last year, so the amount is unclaimed in our account, so kindly share your details so that we can transfer the money to you and you can claim the amount. But what you will see is, you just came say 2 months back and you started to getting these kind of calls. You're not here last year, so for sure this is a scam call, and they will try to loot money, whatever money you have, they will try to loot from you. So if possible, don't answer such calls, but there's no way you will be not answering such calls, because a call from an unknown number could be a call from your employer or from some job application that you must done, or some friend or someone. So I'm sure you will be answering these kind of calls, but when you do, just be careful not to give any details and just hang up. Say I'm not interested, or keep the money, keep the change, hang up. So beware of such kind of calls from claims department. That is one second scam that I came across. Third scam will be, all the students will be looking to, transfer their visa from tier 4 to tier 2. So there will be a lot of agents, lot of consultants, lot of scammy people, dicey people, trying to contact you for, okay sir, I will give you a tier 2 visa, I will give you sponsorship, and your charges will be £10,000, £15,000, £5,000, and you have to pay a deposit fee of say £2,000 so that we can start your process. I know you are desperate, they know you are desperate, and people make mistakes when they are desperate to get a tier 2 visa. So my humble request is, don't fall for such traps. Be a little smart, be street smart, apply your mind, and just don't fall for such traps without doing thorough research. It is already illegal, to give £10,000 for an agent and give you a tier 2 visa, and what all the procedures are involved, I don't know. But don't fall for such traps. Beware of such traps, beware of such people, and stay away from them. one more thing, the next scam I will talk about is electricity bill scam. So I work at a place and I get a call from Pakistan, basically Lahore, every day at say 9:30, 10:30. In between those two times, I get a call every day saying, "Sir, we like to help you reduce your utility bill, electricity and gas bill by 15-20%." And then they will get you into talking, and then they will extract details out of you. And you may be new to that place, so you don't know what to talk, how to talk to them, and you think, okay, it's a genuine person. But then you will realize after talking 1 or 2 times that it is all scam. Your owner will tell you, or once you talk to the person, you will realize it's a scam. People calling from Lahore, Pakistan, or India also sometimes, from Siliguri and Gurgaon also I got a call. So what they do is they'll ask you, "Sir, is the owner there?" Okay, you say no. Or sometimes, "Can I talk to you?" And then he will start asking you details. And mostly he will ask you yes, no type of questions. Are you here in UK for the first time? You say yes or no, yes, no, yes, no. So what he will do is, then after the call is done and yes, no questions you have said couple of times, he will then record your voice and clip it in such a way that, okay, do you want to take service of this company? Then you say, he will say this question, and then you say yes, I want to, and then he will record that, put the recording over there. So yes, I want to, or yes, I am. So yes, I am interested is what it means. So make sure to hang up such calls. And if you're talking for the first time, just don't speak so much, don't say yes or no. Just say the full sentence, or just stay away from such calls. And I just hope you don't get such calls actually. So this is one of the scams, I have seen it happen recently. And since the times are tough, lockdowns extended, people not getting jobs. So I think it's very easy for the people here already, or somewhere else, it's COVID all around the world now. It's not just here. So trying to scam people and get money out of it, whatever way it works. And if you are smart, then you will be, aware of such scams. If you're not, then just see this video, and I hope you get, I am trying to make you aware of few common scams that are going on here right now. So I hope I shared some important knowledge, and good luck to people who are coming here. I shall be making more videos as the time goes on, and it's a lovely weather today on this Sunday. Oh, I will be uploading this on Monday maybe. So yeah, and I request you to like, share, subscribe, and please share this video so that you make your friends aware of such scams. And good luck on your further endeavors, and stay tuned for more, and do connect with me on Instagram at Vadodara Food Book. And thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.